Thank you for joining Pro Surf Blog today for this epic surf news update. Let me start just by saying that there's going to be a couple shots of Oceanside and some of the swells that hit Southern California in the background as I give the update today. And that's just basically because in April there was a bunch of good surf hitting Southern California. On April 1st, 2014, the Margaret River Pro commenced in 4 to 6 foot inconsistent waves. The Margaret River Pro is stop number 2 on the 2014 Samsung Galaxy ASP World Championship Tour. And Margaret River is located about 3.5 hours outside of Perth, and that's in Western Australia. And for the trial winners, it was Nathan Hedge and Yaden Nickel for the men, and for the women, it was Laura McCullough. You can check out this shot here of Laura by Sestari, and Sestari did the next few photos as well. And in round 1, we had Taj Burrow that won his heat, and also you got Matt Wilkinson who just did this big backside freaking setup. As the comp went back to the women, it was Carissa Moore doing this complete turn right here. I mean, just pretty much getting her tail out in front of her. And with those moves, that took Carissa all the way to the finals, and so she was the champion of this event for 2014. Congratulations to Carissa. And coming back to some local news, it was the Scholastic Surf Series of Championships in Oceanside, California. Here's some of the scenery from the actual event. And here's a shot of the finalist Taylor Mathiasen throwing a big turn. And so the Margaret River Pro for the men had a few lay-days, and the contest was eventually called back on. So when it was called back on, they actually moved the location over to a place called The Box, and that's where Joel Parkinson here just got so deep in this barrel. So obviously it was a good move. And apparently after that day of barrels, the contest wasn't really running for a few more days as the conditions weren't good enough. But when it picked back up, it was Michel Perez who basically cut through every other ripper he could just to win that event. Michel had to take down Nat Young, Kelly Slater, and Josh Kerr to actually get to the final and win. And so Michel Perez celebrated that victory. Next thing you know, it's a couple days later, and ASP actually packed a second World Tour event into April, and so all the competitors just move on over to Bells Beach. And right here you can see Mitch Cruz just doing an airdrop in his round 2 heat. And by April 23rd, Carissa Moore and Mick Fanning rang the bell. They took that home, so congratulations. And we're going to keep you posted on some other news coming out of Hawaii. We've been following the Grom Mom on Facebook. I don't know if you've heard of the Grom Mom, but you might want to check it out. She's got some Groms that are competing, and this photo here is at the Rel Sun Makaha Surfing Contest, and these are the winners. Thanks to the Grom Mom for shooting this pic and sharing it online. And while all this was going on, SoCal was experiencing springtime swells that included days like this mini video of Chris Murnane that we captured in Oceanside, and this cool shot of howling offshore winds that was taking place at Huntington Beach around the same time, April 29th. And that same day, ASP announced the acquisition of Billabong XXL Big Wave Awards. This is big news for the sport of surfing and for the existing competitors on the ASP circuit. So that's going to be fun to watch, and it seems like a good move, and it's going to be exciting. As you can tell by this image here of Grant Baker surfing at Jaws. Thanks for watching our April 2014 Epic Surf News Update. I'm going to leave everyone with some additional footage of the spring swells that hit SoCal in April. If you could, please share this video with a friend, and have a good day.